Good morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, in previous topic, we have discussed the Vijayanagar Empire. We have started the 14th chapter of history, the regional empires, in which we have done the Vijayanagar Empire. So we will resuming our chapter with Bahmani Kingdom. So we will start our today's topic. Bahmani Kingdom, you must see in the map where is Bahmani Kingdom. Bahmani Kingdom is we have here in the we can say that in the Maharashtra area. It was a very important and powerful area near the Raichur Duars, and which was very important for the conquer point of view. That's why the Vijayanagar was against the Bahmani and want to control the Bahmani kingdom. So here we can start the Bahmani kingdom. In 1347 CE, Hassan Gangu, this is very important. Hassan Gangu, an officer of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, which we have already discussed in previous chapter in Delhi Sultanate, assumed the title of Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah, who has taken the title Hassan Gangu, Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah, and established a Bahmani kingdom. He divided his kingdom into 4 tariffs. Tariff means the provinces, local areas. We can say that in any territory like Gulbarga, Daulatabad, Birar, and Bidar. You can see where is Gulbarga, where is Daulatabad, where is Birar, and where is Bidar. All right, you can see where is Daulatabad. This one is Daulatabad. This one is Gulbarga. This one is Bidar. And one more is left. That is which one? Okay, Birar and Bidar. The Birar also near the area of Andhra Pradesh. Just this one area, you can say that they want to cover up. All right. So next we have the Bahmani dynasty ruled for about 175 years and under 18 rulers. It was a very long period of time where the Bahmani rulers control over the India. Firoz Shah Bahman was the most famous ruler who ruled from, very important, Firoz Shah Bahman, who ruled from 1397 CE to 1422 CE. This was also very important. Most of the time asked in exams. Then what was the time period of Bahmani dynasty? He was a very learned man. He was a good calligraphist and composed verses in Arabic. Verses you can consider as books or the books of hymns, Persian language, Marathi, Telugu, and Kannada. So next here we have the Firoz Shah wanted to make Deccan a cultural center. Deccan area exactly want to make a cultural center of India. Many learned men and scholars came there from different parts of India and abroad, and he built an observatory in Daulatabad. Observatory means where he can keep all the things related to cultural activities, related to education, and one more thing that he can control from Dolatabad to every other territories which he has controlled under his empire. Firoz Shah inducted Hindus in his administration. He was not keeping Hindus in his administration. He was against of Hindus. He had to leave the throne to his brother Ahmed Shah, who transferred his capital from Gulbarga to Bidar. The brother Ahmed Shah. During 1468 to 81 CE, Mahmud Gavan was the prime minister, but in reality, he controlled the whole or entire administration of Firoz Shah. The kingdom was divided into 8 tariffs, just like we have discussed these things in that is, do you know of Vijayanagar Empire, that tariffs was known as the provinces, and under tariff das, the salaries and perks, other allowances, were fixed for each noble. Noble means the court members. Salaries were paid in cash or in form of jagir. Jagir means property. All right, those over the provinces leaders or the rulers over there, they were getting salaries. They are in pay of cash. Sometimes they were getting in cash, or sometimes they were getting some properties in place of their salaries. Government built a great madrasa, an education center, a college in Bidar, and the building was beautifully decorated with tiles. It could accommodate 1,000 students and teachers. The Bahmani kingdom was a cultural bridge between North as well as the South India. It was, we can say that it was a cultural area where every can get more information and they can expand their rituals in South India as well. Look at the picture. Muhammad Mahmud governed Madrasa at Bidar. Next, we have the Ahoms. The Ahoms, they were the descendants, or we can say they were the inhabitants of Assam. The Ahoms originally belongs to Mongolian tribes of Burma. Alright, just be underline this one, Mongolian tribes of Burma. They consolidated, they can combine their kingdom with the eastern Brahmaputra Valley, that is area of North Bengal and Assam. Alright, the West Bengal area as well as the Assam area. Look at the map, where is their areas. See, this is North Bengal as well as the Brahmaputra as well as the Assam area. These were the areas of Ahoms. Alright, and the name Assam is derived from Ahom. Kamrupa was another kingdom there. Both of them were Hindu kingdoms. Nusrat Shah of Bengal wanted to capture these kingdoms but could not succeed. And during this period, Ahom was ruled by Suhung Ming, very important name, who was the ruler of Ahom Empire during that period. That was Suhung Ming, and he made Ahom a very strong kingdom, and it was given the name Assam. This dynasty ruled for more than 600 years, but among the different rulers. So we don't have that much very big information about the Ahoms, but it's just having this much information that they were also a part of Indian territories or Indian provinces. So this was all about today's topic up to Bahmani kingdom as well as up to Ahom. The Mewar we will do in the next video. Read the chapter carefully up to Ahoms. From the beginning up to Ahoms you can revise, and live classes we'll discuss this one also, and previous chapter 5 also we can discuss. Revise chapter 5, I'll give you that as homework. Thank you.